In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can announce calls on iPhone. Announcing calls on an iPhone serves a crucial purpose in enhancing accessibility and convenience for users, particularly those who are visually impaired or in situations where hands-free operation is essential. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, select on this option of Siri and search. You will see the option of announce calls right here. Select on Always. When turned on, all incoming calls will get announced. This not only improves accessibility but also supports safer and more efficient communication practices in daily life. That's how easy it is to announce calls on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.